What's up, everybody? My name is AMB and welcome back to the reaction here today. Today we are doing Sleep Token Rain. Doing a little lyric video thing that I found. Author album Take Me Back to Eden, and this is the last session that I'm sitting down, or standing up, I guess, where we are finishing the album. I'm about to record this, Take Me Back to Eden, and the last track on the album. These last two tracks on the album, all back to back together. So, yeah, I'm excited. I got the Sleep Token shirt on I got at the mall like a month ago, ready. But let's quit the chit chat. Roll the intro.
A way to break through.
For so long I've waited.
Okay.
So long that I almost became just a stoic statue fit for nobody. And I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over.
Check the volume real quick because, jeez, it just feels low in my end. Turn that up here.
The moment you smiled at me.
Hold on. Rewind that back a little.
The moment you smile, I wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me. And just like the rain, cast the dust into nothing and wash out the soul from my head. So touch me again, I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? It's that cabin cool cup that I can get down with, up like the moon and out like the hounds. A dangerous disposition, somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like a venomous serpent, tangled in your trance, and I'm certain you have got your hooks in me. I know the way that it goes. You get what you give, you reap what you sow, and I can see you in my fate. And I know I am what I am, the mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb. So darling, will you saturate? Just stop the rain.
Okay. I know we are 2 minutes and 8 seconds into this, and I didn't really pause much except to mess with this. What the? What? Okay. One, emotional but also very powerful. I started to learn with Sleep Token. Whatever you think is going to happen, just put it to the side and let's see. I did see a few thumbnails when looking for the link for it, being like, it was an emotional song. And at the beginning, it did feel very emotional and raw. But jeez, when it hit it hit. Like, it packed all the emotion with a punch instead of, like, when Are You Really Okay? It was more of just, like, a more calmer track and really just spoke to you, which I think for that's what that song needed. But oh my. Oh my. I'm not ready. My blood pressure is not ready for these last three songs. I am rambling a lot right now. I don't know if any of it makes any ounce of sense. But I don't know. Because at the beginning I was like, okay, this is going to be a more kind of direct, almost, I don't know. I thought it was going to stay a little bit more calmer, more somber. But geez. Yeah, no, this is deep and powerful. it definitely eventually came with a punch. Let's go back. I want to experience it again.
And just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing and wash out the soul from my head.
I love that so much.
So touch me again. I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? It's that chemical cup that I can get down with, up like the moon and out like the hounds. A dangerous disposition somehow.
I was gonna say, one thing that has also just made me fall in love with Sleep Token is some of their like melodies and flows and stuff feel so unique. Like feel so like fresh. I don't know. They make me actually feel music in like a somewhat new way, and they feel like they very much have their own like kind of sound and lane, like they put their own twist on it. Which I know it's kind of what you're supposed to do, but still, I feel like they do it and they do it very well. And with like also his voice is incredible, but just overall, ooh, I'm excited. Just I don't know. I was like I words are hard right now. Continue. The song caught me off guard.
And out like the hounds, a dangerous disposition somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like a venomous serpent, tangled in your trance and uncertain. You have got your hooks in me. I know the way that it goes. You get what you give, you reap what you sow.
Oh yeah.
I can see you in my faith. And I know I am what I am. The mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb. So darling, will you saturate? Just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing and wash out the salt from my hair.
Oh my.
So touch me again. I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure?
Beautiful.
Nobody can say for certain if maybe it's all just a game. When I open my eyes to the future, I can hear you say my name.
Beautiful.
So rain down on me.
Whoa.
Rain down on me.
This is incredible.
Rain down on me. Rain down on me. Rain down on me.
Freaking incredible, man. What a track. Impactful, emotional. Like, whew. That is such a good freaking song. I mean, to be expected with good old Sleep Token. But man, every track that I listen to just reminds me, oh yeah, this is why they're freaking awesome. Like, what? They never fail to impress me. And obviously it's talking about someone and a relationship but like, oh my. Anyway, If you've enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Until next time, maybe I'm too sweet, be the real you.
Way to break through.